What if nobody shows up in my small group? That's fine. Don't get discouraged. It happened to me before. It's going to happen to every small group leader. The reality is we have to embrace it. People have schedule, people have events, people have work, they get busy, and so we have to be understanding and considerate on that part. So what I do now is that before I even text and remind them of the small group that will happen at a certain date, I ask for confirmation in advance. And so they've learned that. We have to build that muscle in your small group that at least for courtesy's sake, they will let you know if they cannot make it in advance. Okay? If they don't do that, they just don't show up, it's a discipleship moment. Then you can talk to them that it takes commitment and courtesy to reply at least. But don't take it personally if a lot of people did not show up in the small group. It happens. So do it again next month or next week. So should not stop you from continuously discipling.